The self-righting unmanned ship is independently developed, cost-effective and high-performance water operation equipment. The equipment adopts a 3-hull design and new carbon fiber polymer composites and Kevlar materials. It is designed for emergency rescue, firefighting, water conservancy, environmental protection, and other government and enterprises. The hull can be placed in the trunk of a regular car. It's light in weight and can be easily carried by one person. With its unique self-righting core technology, quickly return to upright. Equipped with a cutting-edge, highly integrated vessel control system, it supports autonomous planning, fully automatic. It is intelligent and flexible. It has strong anti-leakage performance. The ship is equipped with a 360-degree camera, GPS, accurate positioning, millimeter wave radar, carbon fiber float cabin, single beam depth finder, side scan sonar, water quality sampling, etc. Various sensing and measurement devices. It can sense all kinds of surrounding objects, ships, personnel, buoys, islands, reefs, etc., obstacles, and their real-time situation data collection. It is equipped with a dual-jet propulsion system. It has the ability to prevent grass entanglement, the maximum speed of 7 meters per second. It can navigate autonomously in open waters and narrow channels, and automatically avoid obstacles for dynamic and static targets, ensuring safe navigation in complex environments. It's sturdy and durable, and impact resistance. It can both dust-proof, but also impact resistant. With its unique self-righting core and comprehensive functional configuration, it has become a reliable equipment for and emergency response. It can be applied to rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and other inland waters. It can meet the needs of emergency reconnaissance, cruise, rescue, surveying and mapping, environmental monitoring. It significantly reduces operational risks. Intelligent technology empowers intelligent water equipment and safeguard water order and life safety.